Give it to him. Fear Factory all the way. Oh. Then lock up. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Bulldog headlock already. Oh. Right hand. Oh. Yeah, that one caught him. Oh my God. Oh, knee drop. Look, he's going for the weapons already. That quick. That quick. He's got it. What is that? Cool it. Oh! Oh! That one was low. Oh. Hope he wasn't expecting to have any kids. Oh my goodness. Sheet metal. Oh! He wants more! Oh! Like a shotgun blast. 1, 2, oh! 2 count. Whoa, I thought it was over already. Good job, man. Oh! Nutter butter. Oh! Stop. Oh! What a shot. Damn! The artist has a deadly right hand. Oh! Even flow DDT! Oh! The kick out. Oh! Damn! I mean, darn. Sorry about that. Oh! Give it to him! Right hand! All right. Go for the cover. 1, 2. No. Kick out. Oh. 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 I know what that feels like. Yeah, you heard it from the audience. That's disgusting. He's got the top of a trash can. This cannot feel good. Oh! God. Oh! Yeah! He's beating him. Oh, leg drop. Picking him up. Suplex! Oh! Beautiful. Inverted suplex. Slow to get up. Picking him up on a goatee. Oh! Stunner! Oh! Stone Cold Stunner. Knee drop to the back. Oh! Oh! Right hand. The count 1, 2. Kicks out again. So Clay Dog's getting a little angry here. He wants a 3 count. He wants this match over with quick. Blocked it. Oh, there you go. Oh, drop kick. There we go. Here's a little revenge for the artist. Oh, beat him. Oh, 3 trash can lid. Here we go, he's got it on him. Oh! Crack the ribs. He's going for it. Oh! Power bomb.